So is able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So as of now, we have completed correlation and parameterization. And validation points also, right? What is the validation point? Verification point? Hello? Ravani?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the validation point?
That value should be valid or not.
Yeah, what is that function?
Web
Web reg find.
web
Reg
underscore
find,
reg underscore.
find, and text is equal. Okay, and last. So like, so validation points are very important from the our testing point, performance testing as a scripting point of view. Why? Because if you are exactly going to the exactly valid page or not, how we can validate means using from the validation points only. Okay, that is why we should be definitely we need to give from the validation points. So validation point means, okay, only like test verification point, we have the multiple will be there. So one is from the text verification point. Okay, and second one is from the image verification point. Image verification. Okay, and correlation, and through HTTP status code also. So these are all we can call it as a verification point. So for here, anything you can do is fine, but as a verification point of view, you can use from the text verification point is a good. Correlation means we are not do from the each and every request, because where is the exactly dynamic value it is there in the response, only some request only we are doing from the correlation. That is why each and every page we are not give from the correlation. And text means we can give from the each and every page, we need to give from the text verification point, image verification point also we can give. HTTP status code. Like HTTP status codes, already I told, right? Right? 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. What is the 100? Means you are sending request send.
Request.
200 means
100% success.
Request send, but response not.
no. Request send, response also successfully we received.
Round map of request send and response.
Yeah, that is the 200 means valid response you got. Like
200.
you are send the request, you got the response also. 300 means it is a redirect. Okay. So 400 means it's a bad request,
Bad
like
request.
data issues. 500 means internal server error, like it's application side kind of issues. In the like 200, we have the 2 not also, 2 is also there. That is also it's a valid response. And in the 300, we have different also will be there. Like 303. Okay. And 40, we have the 401, 403. And 50, we have the 501 and 502. Okay, so these all will be like valid request we send, you response got. 303 means it is a redirect. Actually, you want to go to the correct page, but it is redirected to the another page. That is the redirection. Like when from the as a developer developing the application, he will put from the redirections. So that is the redirection. 400 nothing but it's a bad request. Like 401 means it is a authentication issue, like authorization issue. Like you are getting from the 401 means some authentication will be required from the in that particular request. 403 means forbidden error. Like if it is a request or anything is wrong, you will get from the 403 as a like you can refresh that URL, you will be able to get the correct response. 500 means internal server error. 501, 502 means it is the bad gateway errors, timeout errors. So these are the error status also very important because interview ask from the what is the 1xx, nothing but 1xs. So 2xs means 200, 3xs, 4x, 4x, 5x. So means in that we have the different also will be there. Okay, that is the like based on from the your script is passing means you will get from the 200 obviously. Your script is failing, maybe you will get from the 400 or 400, 403, maybe sometimes 500, 501 also will get. So based on that also we know that, okay, we are going to the exactly page or not also we know. Because you are going to the 200, then what is the status? Means we are went from the correct page. This is the 400 means, okay, some bad request. 500 means some internal server error, like application side issue. And text verification point and image verification point. So we'll see the, I think, okay, for this we have request. Okay, now flight booking. So let's see, first of all, I will execute once. So just I'm replying the flight booking application. See, we got error. So errors also, what is that error means where we can see in the output window. If we go here, it is showing that failed to connect to server. Like means this application we are unable to access it. That is why what happened, it will be sometimes it is accessing to it will try and after that it is throw as a connection timeout error. Okay, means okay, this application some server is not available. That is why we got that error. Okay, only for this application only we have server. Real time you can go and okay, where can I say start server? Don't ask. Okay, so only from this application only as a load runner team they are given from the our testing point of view. But in real time we have servers, but no need to on the servers. like store is there. We are doing from the any server, we can starting. No, right? Same way it will be real time will be there. Only for this is the internally developed from the our load runner team. So as per our testing practice point of view, they are given. Okay. So now again we'll execute one time. Yeah. See, your script will be now pass. So if you go to the action, see this is the launch one. So I think we know that web break find we need to give from that is the web break find. So how to we can give from the web break find? Everyone will be know like web underscore reg underscore find. This is the verification point as a text verification point. So and after that we need to give from the in double colon comma and lost and bracket close, and we can give from the like text is equal. So which text we need to give, static or dynamic? We need take from the static text, not a dynamic text. Okay. So see this is the application. Now launch I'm doing. In the launch in this space, I am validating from this space. So in this space, we need take from the any static text of the in this space. Don't take from the as a like dynamic text. Dynamic means what happen? It will be every time it will changing. But we are take only from the static text. Like you can take from the welcome is fine, or web tours is fine, or what is the static will be there. Static means what? If you see from the tomorrow, day after tomorrow, any day it will be in this space. This text is available. That is the static. Okay. For example, you are giving from the your username password. So every time should be, if you are taking as a Jojo, same thing you are as a taking as a text is Jojo. So every time will be same user will be there. No, right? It is a different user also it will come. So that time what will happen? The text is not available. Your script will be failed. So that is why this kind of dynamic value we can't take. We can take from the static only, static text. Okay, for example, we'll take from the any account. Okay, this is the text. You can take the text. Control V. And so we can call it as a in this verification point, image verification point. This all we can call it as a error handling. Also, we can call it error handling. So to handle this, right, I want to from the this checkpoint text verification point. So pass or fail I want. Okay, so that point of view we need to write from the some little bit code. I will show that one. Okay, no worry. That is a very simple only. Okay, so this is the text checkpoint. Just condition, if else condition. Is the checkpoint pass or checkpoint failed? Failed or pass. So when it is the pass, when is the fail means. So what is the text you are given? For example, right now, what is the text we are given? This account. This account in this page is there. It is a more than one, then checkpoint will be pass. Otherwise, it is equal to 0. It will go into the checkpoint is failed. Is the more than one, what will happen? It is going to the else part. It will check as a checkpoint is pass. So this if a2 I nothing but is a nothing but string, I nothing but integer. Means if you want convert as a that is a integer to string to integer, we can use from the a to I or I to a function. And for here you can observe LR evolve string. What is the LR evolve string means? You want to read that value, then we can use from the LR evolve string. Means I want to read the in this value. Then I need to give from the LR evolve string. And this is the condition. Like this sign of is equal to 1 is equal to 1 means it is going to the else part. Equal to 0, it is fail. Okay, so this condition where we can keep means you can go to the script. After the request, for example, now you are doing from the here. After end start, don't give from the anything from the what we are adding. You can give from the after and you can copy and paste it. Now what we can do means we are not given save count, right? Here you can give from the double colon and comma and save count is equal to, I'm giving as a variable launch. Launch means just as a transaction point of a given launch. So means in this account we are saving to the where means in the launch variable we are saving. In this account how many times it will count, and we want to it's a checkpoint pass or fail point of view. What we can do means where is the sign off is there, right? In that place, what is the save count you are given, that variable name we need to give from the here. Control V. Okay, and after that no need to change anything, same code. Okay, you can keep it from the your handy with in mobile or whatever maybe. If you don't know, you can copy paste it from the in our, or we can write also very easy. And so after that we can just will execute and will observe it is a which it is a pass or fail, what will get. Script will be pass, but we can check from the our checkpoint is pass or fail, we can check. So which transaction, that is the launch transaction. So you can observe here. Okay. Launch is equal to 1 is came. Means the text is available for that particular page. So now we need from the, like it is a checkpoint is pass. See, you can observe. Why? Because this text is available. Like what is the account is there in that page is the at least one time will be there. If not there, it is a what will happen, checkpoint will be fail. Just condition we are giving. Okay, so that condition we need to give from the every page same like that. Okay, and for example now I will fail also I will show. For example, I am giving from the 1 2 3 is equal account. So this text I, okay, if it is available it is the checkpoint pass. If it's not available, checkpoint will be fail. Again, go to the output and we can observe this. So you can observe launch is equal 0 means in that page the 1 2 3 account is not available. That is why you can observe checkpoint is failed. So pass or fail point of view also we can give from the checkpoint validation also we can give. That is the, this is the checkpoint condition. Okay, I will share this, okay, in our chart window. You guys can copy and paste it and put it as a notepad. Okay, this is a verification. Okay, that is the, like that we can give from the each and every page. You can give from the web break file. After the request, you need to give from the same like that. Each and every page we need to give from the that condition as a error handling. We can call it as a error handling. That is the test verification point. Now I want to, okay, for example, image also we can do means. So what we can do means we can image checkpoint. How to we can do first of all? First of all, what is the function meant? Web image underscore check. Okay, in the double colon comma and double colon comma last. This is the same syntax. Okay, but this is the image verification point. Now image, like we can give from the variable name. Okay, what is the variable? Like launch only I am doing, right? You give me from the launch. Okay, and here this is the important. So here we need to give from the image path. But how to will get image path? We can get from the many ways. One is from the go to that page and click on the view page source. In this page, we can see the SRC is equal to some JPG is JPG like that will be there. That should be image. For example, you can observe this SRC is equal, this is the image, and this is also image. So you can observe, but here also is there, but you can observe this is the image, but we can take as a web tour, that is a text, it's not a image. So image means you can go to the here and you can check from the, okay, what is that SRC? So you can take from the any one of the SRC validation point of you can take, okay, and copy and put it from the in double colon place like this. And where is the double colon? So we need to give from the slash. Any other? Okay, that's it. I think, yeah, script passing it succeeded. So now we'll execute again. Okay. Now go to the launch only. Okay. See, web image check was successful. Got it? So like that, we need to validate from the image verification. So that is the image verification. So this is also your understanding point of view. I'm sharing from the your chart window. You can keep it from the as per your preference. Okay. So this is the image verification. Now you can go here. We are done from the validation point solve. Test verification point, we are done. With like if else condition. Image verification point, how to we can do, again we done. And correlation means we know correlation. HTTP status code means if it is already, if your script is executed, it is pass or fail, it will show from the as a status code. So these are the validation points from the in load runner as a scripting point of view. It's clear this? Hello? Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Prasanna? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
you both are good, right? Okay, then good. Okay, so means this is also important, like each and every page we need to give from the like this. So if it is by seeing this, it is a very not a difficult, and I can observe, I think I am not explain this. LR output message means we want to display the as the output what you want message. Like you can give from in that place, checkpoint is fail is there, right? You can give Kiran, it will display Kiran. Sriram, you can give Sriram, it will display. But we need to give from the valid thing because we are validating from the verification point. That is why test checkpoint is pass or fail. You need to give, then that would be sense. By seeing that, okay, is done from the error handling point of view from this if else condition. Okay. So interview point of view, they will ask from the what is the error handling. Okay, you can write from the that code. So we need to write from this code also. Okay, if a to a LR eval string, and you can give from the variable name equal to 0. Means in this space, in this text is there is equal to 1, it will pass. It will not, it will be fail. Just that is the if else condition. For example, we went from the hotel. Okay, I asked from the idli. If it is there idli, they will give from the idli. If not, then what will happen? We'll get from the puri or something. So that is the if else condition. Okay. So let's move to the next point. Okay. For example, we have the drop downs will be there. Like arrive, we have drop downs, and departure also we have drop downs will be there. So if you give from these two, you are done from the correlation, what will happen? It is there some situation, same value also it will come. Like departure London and arrive also is London will come. So means it is a both also same it will come. To overcome that, we need to write from the one functionality, like generate from the random value point of view. Okay, so just what you can do means, just we can do from the first of all correlation from the departure and derive. Already we did, right? But I think boundaries we are given wrong. Nah, save length, save offset right now, no need. I'm removing this. And but we need to provide from the ordinal. Okay, now we'll execute. See, script will pass. We can observe. Okay, I think I'm not replaced. Okay. Total values, how many values we have, it will capture. Okay. But replace point of view, we are not given departure and replace we are not given. What we can give is we can replace in the script as a substitution. This is the deport, maybe we are given or not. Deport we are given, and here we can give from the array. So these are the additional things, like it will be used from the interview point of view. Okay, that is why I am explaining from the some little bit coding. It's not a coding. Okay, just little bit. Okay, so now I want to, like, randomly what value is speaking I want to. Then we need to write from the function, like one more, okay, thing. It is this is the generate random value. Okay, generate random value. So this is the I done from the same correlation. So you can observe I did the correlation, and after that I written from the this code. So if it is any code we are writing means, where we can write means after the request only we need to write. So for example, you can copy this and paste from the where means after the request. So where is the departure array will be there? This is the array, right? After the here we can write from the our code. And here we need to give from the source dest we are given, right? What is the name we are given? Departure array we are given. Same thing you can give from the here depart and array. And here you can give from the whatever maybe rand depart means, you can give rand depart means, just you can give from the here. This is the in this value we are saving from the in this variable. That is why LR save string means we want to save the LR paramara random means we want to generate from the randomly. So actually in depart what value will be there? London. That London we are saving from the using from the LR save string we are saving in the rand SOR. Same, I am saving from the in this array well in the rand test. So now I want to just message point of view. I am comparing from the these two strings. That is why I written from the if strcmp nothing but string comparison lr evolve string. LR evolve string means we want to read that value means we can using, so see in this value we are saved here. That is why we are taking from the load runner variable as a rand SOR. And here rand test means these two strings we are comparing equal to 0. Then what will happen? S and D means serves and are same, cannot book the ticket. So just I want message from the in output. If it's a both are not same, can book the ticket. So we need to check this. Okay, just we'll execute and we'll see we are able to get that message in output or not. We'll see. See, script will be pass. That's fine. See, you can observe rand SOR Zurich, rand test Portland, S and are not same, can book the ticket. Means ticket is booked. Means so we can do from the this is the way just like interview point of view. What kind of challenges you faced? So we have the drop downs will be there. We want to generate the random value. We are using the LR parameter random function. Using that we are capture the values. Okay, randomly what values we are getting. It is like same or not. We are used from the if else condition. We need to explain, and you need to write from the yourself without okay without seeing. You need to prepare from the like your own. You need to write this code LR save state. So LR parameter random means it's a random means you want to generate random. We are using from the that is the our LR function is the LR parameter random. So what is the random value? It is where it is storing first of all in depart, because where we are did from the correlation, that is the name of the variable depart. So in the depart value, I am saving from the our load runner variable rand SOR. Same way array also I did. And after that I compare from the these two strings. If strcmp string comparison LR evolve string, I am reading the value rand SOR and rand test equal to 0. What will happen? London, then S and D are same, cannot book the ticket. London is equal Paris, then else it is going to the else S and D are not same, can book the ticket. You will get from the message. Okay. Okay. I will share finally this one. Okay. And that is the one thing. And finally, one more thing. We have the section ID is there. Not only section ID. Okay, for example, when you are doing from the correlation, some order ID is coming. That order ID you want to use from the as a test data point of view, multiple data. So you need to create from the multiple data. So how to we can create that data, and I want to save that data into the my local system, because after that I will put it as a in the file format. Okay, in notepad all order IDs I will capture. For example, I am capturing user section. So I want from this user section in my local system. So at that time we need to write from the local file operation. This is the local file operation. So just this one you can save this and go to the after the request only we are right. Okay, you can give from the here control V, and now this file. Okay, and we don't know from the this file, so that is why we need to declare from the as a variable. We can declare from the variable in the top of the script, like long file, we can call it as a long file. Okay, and another thing like you can create any variable means you can give from the top of this. Okay, like this. And in this, apart from this, we have anything file is equal to f open if this is the folder name and a printf file and percentage s and user session means what is the name we are given, same name you can give from the here as a reading point of view. Okay, now we can observe what I'm doing means f open means file I'm opening means where is the I want to save this, that is the location. A plus means it is the ampersand and f printf, what is this, it is storing, right? Finally it is storing to the file. That file I am printing from the printf file percentage s slash n, like it is the text or numeric I want to capture percentage s. I mean slash n means it is the next line, and lr reverse string which one I am reading in this correlation value. And if you open the file, we need to close the file, f close file. Now just this is the file name I am giving. See, will execute. Maybe it will 1 minute, our class will be finished. Okay, we'll go to the E folder. If it is disconnect, right, you can rejoin. Kiran 1 2 3 see.